Hello students, in the last video I told about the Rabi crops and Kharif crops. In this, now we are going to start the next topic. It is the agricultural practices. Cultivation of the crops involves several techniques and activities that farmer has to undertake when crops are sown, harvested or stored. These activities are called agricultural practices. Now, the major steps of the agricultural activities, or we can say practice, are number one, preparation of the soil, number two, selection and sowing of the seed, and number three is addition of manure and fertilizer. The next is the irrigation, then protection from the weeds and the pest, harvesting, threshing, winnowing, and then in last, the storage of crop. Now the first step is preparation of the soil. Then we all know plants or the crop take the nutrients, water and other minerals from the soil. If the soil is fertile and it is of good quality, then the crop production will be larger. Now the technique used for preparing soil before the seed are grown are number one, ploughing, and the second one is the labeling. Then we will see one by one. The first one is called ploughing. Then see, it is the process of loosening and turning of soil using a tool or the implement called the plough. Now, this is a traditional method. In if we talk about the previous time, then bullocks are used to plough the field. With the help of the plough, farmers used to plough the field, and plough may be of iron or the second it may be of wood. So wooden or iron ploughs are there, and with the help of the bullock they used to plough their field. But nowadays, because the technology has been improved, then we replace this method by the cultivator. With the help of the tractor and cultivator, we plough the field. What are the advantages of ploughing? Then ploughing, it provides the aeration and drainage to the soil so that the roots of the plant can easily easily can absorb the water and minerals and can easily respire into the soil. Then second is the loosening of the soil. It allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. Then fertilizers also mix well into the loosened soil. Then loose soil add the growth of the earthworm also and other microbes also, so that they can decompose the dead material, and it also increase the fertility of the soil. Then the next is labeling. The plowed soil often has crumbs of the soil, and they need to be broken or crushed and labeled before sowing the seeds. This can be done with the help of the implement called labeler. With the help of this wooden labeler, it is fitted in the in the tractor, and with the help of this wooden labeler, after the plowing, the field is labeled. And in previous time, it for this purpose, the wooden bats were used to crush the crumbs of the soil and to label the soil. Now the second practice is selection of seeds and sowing. Seedlings should have, or we can say when we sow the seeds in the field, then we have to take some precaution. Then the main are number one, seedlings should have enough space between them so that they cannot compete for the minerals, water and sunlight. And the second is seeds should be sown at a right depth. If they are too close to the surface, they may be eaten by the birds, or if they are sown too deep, then they may be deprived of the air. There are two methods for sowing the seeds. One is broadcasting. In the broadcasting method, we take we take the seed and then they are spreaded in the field without seeing where they are, what is the distance between them. They are spreaded, just spreaded in the field with a simply by taking the seeds into the fist and they spread it into the field. Then second method is using the seed drill. This is the picture of this is a picture of the seed drill. This have the funnel-like structures. These are the tubes which have hole inside it, and the gap between them is fixed. Then this is attached to the tractor. Then with the help of these tube-like structures, the seeds are sown in a particular depth as well as in a fixed interval of gaps.